How to import products from AliExpress to DSers. Finding products on AliExpress is easy, but copying titles, images, and variants manually? That's tedious and error-prone. DSers gives you 3 fast ways to import products: by AliExpress URLs, by DSers Chrome Extension, and from DSers product page. Let's walk through them. First, the URL method. Find the product you want on AliExpress. Copy its link from the address bar. Go back to your DSers account. Open the Import List page. Paste the link into the search box. Click Confirm. The product is now in your import list. Second, the Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome web store. Search for DSers. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, open AliExpress. Browse for products you want. To import a single product, just click its card. It goes straight into your import list. To import multiple products, tick the ones you want. You can select up to 10 at a time, or click the Bulk Import button at the bottom. That auto-selects the first 10 products on the current page. Click Bulk Import. All of them are added to your DSers Import List. Now go to DSers and open your import list. You'll see all your imported products there. That's how you import from AliExpress into DSers. You can also find products directly in DSers. Go to the Find Products page. There's an AliExpress product pool there. Search by keyword or upload an image to find what you need. Found a product you like? Click the Add to Import List button on its card. It's instantly added to your DSers import list. Great work! That wraps up this lesson. Thanks for learning with DSers.